everybody. I'm Leanne Harrison with the Evelo Team at Keller Realty, and today we are at the Destination by Arbor Homes, and we'd like to take you in to tour one of their model homes.
Hi, I'm Kim with the Evelo Team, and I'm here inside the Asheville plan at Destination by Arbor Homes. We're going to give you a quick tour, but feel free to reach out to us with questions or to schedule an appointment with us today.
There are several spec homes available, so let's get you in to see one today.